Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe, the home inspector. I'm on an inspection today, and something I continue to see is mold growing on the back side of the drywall on the ceiling of the garage. Let me show you what's going on in this garage, and I'm going to explain to you why it's happening. Let me show you.
So when I first pulled up to this inspection, I noticed that it had a deck over living space, and the garage actually stuck out away from the living space. Now, you'll notice that right there, you can see there's a white ceiling to the left, and they've got this ghosting here. What that is this portion of the roof is actually below that deck over living space, which is actually over the garage. And this area over here is actually below a bedroom. So that's got an insulated floor cavity. This area is not insulated, that area is. And the reason why we have ghosting is because where you have the moisture from this car when it's soaking wet or covered in snow or rain comes in, it also has an engine that's nice and hot. It produces humidity and moisture. And when that moisture sticks to a cold surface, which is the drywall because there's no insulation above it, mold will grow. And I've been getting a whole bunch of calls from builders recently that have had these sorts of issues in their brand new homes because there's actually a defect in the building code where I live is they don't have ventilation of garage spaces that'll draw all that moisture out of the garage before it actually sticks to the roof and causes mold. Something that should be added to the BC building code. Hopefully one day it is. That's all mold. It has to be remediated by a professional. We'll paint this roof, and I'm going to suggest my clients install a bathroom fan, which has a cubic feet per minute rating, that will draw all the air out of this garage at least 3 times per hour. A bathroom fan is normally rated to remove all the air in a bathroom 8 times per hour.
So recently I was called out by 3 different luxury home builders who have the exact same problem going on in the homes that they built about a year and a half ago. Mold is sticking to the drywall on the garage ceiling because there's only a deck space above it, which is not an insulated space. Mold needs 3 things to grow. It needs something to grow on. It loves drywall. That's what's inside most garages these days. It also needs a constant stream of moisture, the car soaking wet, and it needs humidity over 60%. And when all that moisture is evaporating off the car and is trapped in this space, the humidity will go over 60%. If you eliminate one of those 3 components mold needs to grow, like humidity, then you'll eliminate the mold growth in your garage. I would suggest people installing a bathroom fan capable of exchanging all of the air inside your bathroom 3 times per hour. That way you won't have to worry about mold growth and moisture being trapped inside your garage. If you have any other home related questions you'd like me to discuss, leave them in the comments below and let's figure them out. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector.